How to manage comment form message on your blog or website on Blogger. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to blogger.com. This is the dashboard as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is simple, click here on settings and scroll down to comments, and here is the comments. Now click on comment form message and you can add your comment form message here and click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later and thank you very much.